Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is just a quick intro for my Sunday lunch. This is actually something I cooked around Easter, but I just haven't had time to edit it and put it out on YouTube. I'm making oxtail stew with some steamed vegetables, and I've steamed them Asian style kind of steaming vegetables. You see I use a bamboo steamer in my video, which I really love. I bought it from China City for like really cheap, but I love it. And today I cannot have any wine in my video because I'm fasting, so my fast only ends at sunset. So I cannot have any wine. Actually, speaking of wine, it's making me have it so bad, but I can't have any wine, unfortunately. So I can't even have any water. Actually, I can't have anything. You see guys, this is what I always talk about. These cars only pass when I'm filming here. Only. There's a hater out there. Okay, so anyways, so I'm making my oxtail stew, and also you're gonna see that there's no me showing you me eating this. I think I have some pictures on my phone of when my family and I sat down and ate, but I don't show me eating it because I didn't eat it alone. I didn't eat at home, and I didn't want to also film my family and put them on YouTube and stuff. So we haven't had a discussion actually about that, how comfortable they are about it, but we are gonna do that. So I wanted to respect this family time, and so I didn't post any pictures or videos or clips of me eating. But it was delicious. It was super amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, share, comment, tell me what else you would do to this food. What would you add in there? Give me your tips so that next time I'm making this meal I can also try it out. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I always love having you here, so see you soon. Ta-da!